Welcome, here I've got ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's focus on this button here at the center. When we tap on it we can manage the ratio of this camera. Now we are in 4:3 ratio. Let's go to the right corner to 1:1 now. And as you can see, the background has changed to the square one. Another tap to the center and we can pick also 16:9, the second from the left, and this is how it changes. This is a little bit longer one than 4:3. Another tap and we can also go to the left corner now and get access to the full aspect ratio of this camera. As you can see, this is how it looks like, and of course we can easily tap again and go back to 4:3, the original one. We can also change aspect ratio in a more complicated way by going to the left corner here at the settings bar and opening the advanced camera settings. At the first place here we have camera resolution, so when we tap here we can get access to the same ratios as in the quick access in the camera preview: 4:3, 16:9, 1:1 and full screen. And here we have also one extra thing, the 4:3 ratio with 64 megapixels, the best possible quality of this camera. And of course, to go back we have to go here, and when we change here ratio to the other ones, we can see that the background has changed, and we have also access again to this button now, and we can manage this like that. So we have two ways to do it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.